Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about compresses and lotions. Lotions are water-based herbal preparations such as infusions, decoctions, or diluted tinctures that are used to bathe inflamed or irritated skin. Compresses are cloths soaked in a lotion and held against the skin. Lotions and compresses are both simple ways to use herbs externally and can be very effective in relieving swelling, bruising and pain, soothing inflammation and headaches, also cooling fevers. After an accident or sport injury, bruising and swelling can often be reduced or prevented if a hot compress is swiftly applied, provided the skin is unbroken. Cold compresses are particularly useful in soothing inflammation, cooling fevers, and easing headaches. Both hot and cold compresses should be frequently soaked and reapplied for maximum benefit. Applying a lotion. As specified, make an infusion or decoction and strain it well. Alternatively, dilute a tincture with water. Soak a clean cloth in the lotion and wring it out thoroughly. Then gently bathe the affected area with the cloth, rather than laying it on the skin as you would a compress. Standard quantity of lotion: 500 ml infusion or decoction, or 25 ml tincture in 500 ml water. Standard application of compress or lotion. Use as required. Prepare a fresh compress or lotion when it cools, if hot, or when it dries, if cool. Storage. Store lotions in sterilized bottles, with lids in a refrigerator for up to 2 days. Applying a compress. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly and soak a soft cloth or clean flannel in the lotion. Wring out the excess liquid. Before applying, and rub some oil on the affected area to prevent sticking. 2. Place the compress against the affected area. For pain and swellings, secure the compress with plastic film and safety pins and leave for up to 1 to 2 hours. Reapply as reused. Thanks you for watching. Please like and subscribe.